and I'd like to talk to you about the final topic that we have today, and this might be perhaps one of the most important ones. We call it 7 days and 7 ways. And we hope that it's a way that we reinforce that first of all, you can get a hold of us 7 days per week. Like I said, not quite 365 days per year. We do close for a few holidays and a few other things. But we are generally available 7 days a week, Saturday and Sunday included. And there are 7 different ways that you can get a hold of tech support. So what I'm doing right now is I'm pulling up our website at igofigure.com. And I have to change a few things on my screen in order to get this to work right. And in about 30 seconds, you're going to be able to see my screen again. I do apologize for having to reconfigure things. And if you all will remember only one simple thing, www.igofigure.com. That's all that you need in order to take advantage of what I'm talking about here. 7 days and 7 ways. Let's start to talk about some of these right here. So let me go ahead and turn the screen back on. Okay, I hope you guys can see the iGoFigure website. I hope you can see me again. Let me shrink up this video a little bit because we want to emphasize the website here. All right, let me see if we've got any pressing questions coming through since I can see the questions. All right, Susan is saying, I missed the advantage of the barcode scanner. Susan, let me tell you what. Fortunately, there's going to be a recorded copy of this webinar available on our website. We're also going to send an email afterward. If you missed anything, including the advantage of the barcode scanner, we're going to get to that. Shirley's saying, I have a credit card reader in the cart. Is there any point in getting it before the new version of the software? All right, not quite sure what you mean by that. I'm sorry. Kathy is saying, love these options. I can't wait. We can't wait either. Can't wait to get this stuff out to you. It's coming to you really, really quick. Okay, our website, 7 days and 7 ways. If you go to igofigure.com, it is the one thing that you need to remember if you forget everything else, because our hours, our contact information, our phone numbers, our email, our Skype address, and everything else that you need in order to contact us 7 days and 7 ways are contained on our website at igofigure.com. Let's take a look. You see right here it says Contact Us. So come here to Contact Us, and you will see right here in the U.S. and Canada, here is our technical support number. It's toll-free, 877-GO-FIGURE. There it is spelled out for you. Here's our sales number. I've advocated several times you should call our sales department to ask about this new version 3.8 functionality POS hardware, and also for if you're interested in signing up for electronic payment processing, if you want to see how we can save you money on your electronic processing. Call our sales department. There's the number. You can reach them by Skype. Here's the Skype. You can also see our technical support hours. Now, this is why we say 7 days, because technical support literally is open for you 7 days per week. By the way, Tassos is asking also an option to add our member telephones to Skype. Not yet, but that's a great suggestion. We'll put it down. Okay, tech support. Open Monday through Friday and Saturday and Sunday. You can see it's not quite 24 hours per day, but it is 7 days per week. And we do have rather extensive hours. Tech support is available from very early in the morning, from 7 in the morning till 10 in the evening, Central Time, Monday through Friday. We also do have 9 hours of coverage for you on both Saturday and Sunday. You can also email us. Here are our email addresses for support, for sales, and for training. We do have a 24-hour business day turnaround for responses to all emails. Okay, apparently you can't see my entire screen. I do apologize. I hope that you can see that now. We are literally down to the last 8 minutes of our webinar, so I do apologize if we're having any technical issues. I hope I've got a preview screen here where I can see what you guys are seeing. I hope you can see the email addresses right here. Here's our fax line. You can also follow us on Facebook and on Twitter. So it's kind of long about ways of saying that we are available for you 7 days. Let me show you the 7 ways. There are 7 great ways of getting a hold of us. The very first one that I want to tell you about is the Tech Support Corner. And I hope that you'll see this on the left side of the screen right here. Let me try one thing real quick that maybe is going to sync up my screen with your guys' screen. Okay, that's not working real quick, so I'm going to skip that. Okay, right here you'll see on the left side of the screen it says Tech Support Corner. Tech Support Corner is a wonderful tool. It's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There's no username or password required to use the Tech Support Corner. And it's available anywhere that there's an internet connection. You do not need to be on your club computer. You do not need to be on a computer that has the iGoFigure system loaded. If you're at home at night and you suddenly think, man, I wonder how I can do this. I got a great idea. I wonder if there's a way or a report that can do this. You can access our Tech Support Corner. So you click on the Tech Support Corner, and here it is. And what the Tech Support Corner does for you is it breaks out help and support based on the menus, the main menu and the more option menu. So it couldn't be simpler to use. So let's take a look here. We click right here on the main menu, frequently asked questions. And here you'll see is the main menu of iGoFigure. Any area that you have a question on, you can simply click. So for example, let's say that I'm not real clear on cancel member. Member wants to cancel. We tried our best to save them, but it turns out they're moving out of town. So it's one of those ones you hate to lose, but, you know, they're leaving the state, and hopefully they're going to go belong to another Curves wherever they end up moving. Great. You're going to have to cancel them, and you're wondering exactly how to do that. So come to the Tech Support Corner. You see the iGo main menu. Click on the Cancel Member button, just as if you were using your software on your own computer. And what it's going to do is it's going to open up a link, and you'll see right here questions that it answers, like, how do I cancel a member, or how do I charge a cancellation fee? I hope you're starting to get the idea here. So let's say if I say, how do I cancel a member? Well, you will see cancellation, and you can also print this information, you can forward it, or if you click right here, you can contact technical support directly. So please, please, please begin to use this as a tool in your arsenal. It's extremely helpful. The Tech Support Corner is a beautiful tool. We get so much positive feedback on this one particular tool, and it's available just as simply as going to our website at igofigure.com and clicking on Tech Support Corner. And it's so easy to use because you don't have to go searching for information. You don't have to look it up in an index. You don't have to download anything. You just click on the main menu or the More Options menu to any area that you have a question on, and there you are. Okay, that's Tech Support Corner. Area number 2 is a tool that we call the ILC, or the iLearning Center. Again, it's available here through our website at igofigure.com. You click here on the Training tab, the orange tab, and it's the second link down, the Online iLearning Center. Those of you who have used the iLearning Center in the past will notice a few improvements. You can access it right from our website. You don't need a username or a password. It just pops right up, and you can immediately go to training courses or reference materials. The iLearning Center is like your electronic classroom where you can learn about the software. Click on training courses. You'll see there's a wealth of training material. We have a basic new GoFigure course in 7 parts. This will teach you the fundamentals if you're a new owner or if you have a new employee on board. And we also have a wealth of additional training materials down here. Each of these are in a video-based format. They're usually 5 to 10 minutes in length. Most of the new trainings are done in a video format exactly like what you're seeing here. We actually open up a square with a little video window so you can not only hear but also see your instructor. It's done from live software. There's no PowerPoint slideshows. There are no scripts that anybody is reading. It's 100% live software. Taught from live software, and there is a one-page handout. If you click here on Summary, there is a one-page handout that accompanies each of these training courses, so there's no need for you to make notes. We've made the notes for you. You can feel free to add some of your own extra notes in the margin, but essentially, once you go through the video, you will have a step-by-step checklist, which we have prepared for you afterward so that you can go through all of those steps. And of course, if when you came to this first page you had clicked on reference materials instead of training courses, you'll see that there are also a wealth of different training materials. These are all printed materials. In other words, they're available to you as PDF files. You can look at full user's manuals right here. You can look at quick training guides. We have a quick training guide for the employee, for the manager, for the owner. And under miscellaneous, we have literally dozens of different documents that are checked into here. You are welcome to view these on the screen, to print them out, or even to download them to your own hard drive. You just click here and you can download one of these documents. So remember the iLearning Center as your second way to get help. You can always come here. It's available again 24/7 with no password required, and you can go for training. The third way is this operator online. Click here to chat in the upper right corner. Anytime that you come to our website and you see that it says in the upper right corner, operator online, click here to chat, it opens up a live chat window. And you'll say, please wait while we connect you to a GoFigure representative. You'll be able to chat live back and forth with a GoFigure tech support agent. It's a really nice in-between, kind of between picking up the phone, waiting on hold, and you'll see that Jamaris has already answered and is saying, please may I have your customer ID number, and I'll say, what if I don't know it? Just kidding, Jamaris. Andy here. You are live on the air at iCamp. All right? So you see how it works. It's your typical chat window, except you're chatting with one of our tech support representatives. You can ask questions. Jamaris says, oh, okay. Hope everything's going well. Thanks. All right, and let's go ahead and close that out. And another great way, this is really a great way of getting help and getting a hold of us, because, again, you don't have to pick up the phone, wait on hold, even though our hold times are very reasonable, usually under 2 minutes. You don't have to pick up the phone, call, wait on hold, talk to an agent. And, the biggest part about that is if you hang up and realize you forgot to ask part of your question or something's still not working, you have to pick up the phone and call right back and repeat the process. On the other hand, if you send an email, you're trying to communicate with us electronically, and you send an email, well, you have to wait for the email to get there. You have to wait 24 hours for a response. You have to wait for the email to get back to you. We all know sometimes, not often, but sometimes emails don't make it through. So live chat is the best in between. You absolutely know that the person's reading your communication because you're chatting with them live, and it's instantaneous. You don't have to wait 24 hours for a response. You have to wait as long as it takes a tech support agent. We all saw that Jamaris answered there in, about 30 or 45 seconds. And I swear to you guys, that was not rigged. I had no advanced knowledge that I was going to be doing this. I literally just went onto our website. I encourage you all to try it right now if you want. You'll probably overload us for the number of people that are on this webinar. Okay, don't do that. That was a bad idea. I was just joking.